Eating out doesn't have to derail your nutrition.
Fast food is a convenient solution for busy days, but it often gets a bad rap for nutrition. With a few smart choices, you can enjoy tasty meals without sacrificing your health goals. Let's explore simple strategies to help you pick more nutritious options whenever you're on the go.
Opt for grilled instead of fried.
When choosing proteins like chicken or fish, go for grilled instead of fried. Grilled options are usually lower in calories and saturated fat, making them a heart-healthy alternative. Skip extras like battered coatings or heavy sauces to keep your meal lighter and more nutritious.
Watch your portions and sides.
Portion sizes at fast food restaurants are often bigger than you need. Consider ordering a smaller size or choosing an entree without the combo meal. Swap out fries for a side salad, fruit, or steamed vegetables when available for added fiber and fewer empty calories.
Choose whole grains and load up on veggies.
Select sandwiches or wraps made with whole grain breads or tortillas if possible. Add extra vegetables to burgers, subs, or salads for vitamins and minerals. These choices can make your meal more filling while supporting better digestion and long-term wellness.
Be mindful of drinks and sauces.
Sugary beverages and creamy sauces can quickly increase calories and sugar. Stick with water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water instead of soda. Request sauces or dressings on the side so you control the amount, and use just what you need to enjoy the flavor with less added fat.
Plan ahead for healthier fast food choices.
Many fast food chains offer nutrition information online. Take a moment to check menus before you order. Having a plan helps you stick to your health goals even when time is limited. With these strategies, you can dine out conveniently and keep her nutrition on track.